Hello everyone, this is Karan Singh from Optimal Homes, and I'm super excited to show you this beautiful condo located in the heart of the Bay Area, Hayward, California. So follow me right in. There is over 1,100 square feet of living area with 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. This home is located in a gated community very close to the 880 freeway and BART. The home also has new flooring and fresh paint all throughout the house. Kitchen has newly remodeled countertops, freshly painted cabinets, and is attached to the laundry area. The house is lined with lots of windows, including a large skylight that lets in lots of natural light. Both bathrooms have been completely remodeled with new tile floors and vanity. Absolutely no detail has been overlooked with this property. A fun fact about this house is it was built in 1985 and it's had original owners ever since. Come chill outside with me and Lucky, and don't forget your coffee. Don't miss out on this great home. I look forward to seeing all you guys at the open house next week.